Hi there, it's Pascal. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about one of the questions I normally currently get. It's from people who are looking to start businesses online and who just maybe lost their job and they are in a situation where they need immediate funds and they are asking if this online business I'm talking about can actually help them. Now, I want to, one thing I've learned from myself is I like to be, help you understand some of the things I am doing. And one of that is to literally help you move forward in the right direction. Now, without a doubt, business, you have to think of what you want to achieve in a long term. Like for me, when I started my online business, I had a job. So I was not under pressure of immediate income or looking to just trying to get money fast, like any of those things. That wasn't what I wanted. I was literally looking for a way to leave the job I was doing because it was not the future for me. I did not see any myself doing it when I was 60. So if you are in that phase that you're looking to start a business online or you're thinking of it but you don't have a job, this will be my humble suggestion to you, to first get a job. And so this will help you relax and not be in that get rich quick mentality, because business is something that takes time. You probably know, you must have seen this online that people are, they say people, businesses take 5 years to 10 years to build. And it's, you don't want to see yourself in that position where you are thinking of how to put food on the table and you're constantly thinking about how to grow your business. I think you need a better mindset, a peaceful more mindset to build a business. For me, I would say if you get a job first, then you can do this on the side, which is exactly how I started myself. Because in that way I could invest money into the business, and if I kept making money, I kept reinvesting into the business to scale it and to grow it. So if you don't have a lot of financial stability right now, the first point will be to get a job. Now, this is what I want to say to you. If you get a job, don't get don't get lost into it, and because it can easily happen. And if you have a job watching this is nothing. One thing I can say to you: job is good. There's nothing wrong with it. I don't hate it, but you gotta think long term. Many people have lost their job now. Like these emails I'm getting now, they are back to square one. They have to start building again from scratch. But you now, you currently have a job. What are you doing in case if you lose your job? Is there any other source of income that you have? I'm not saying online business is the only thing that you can do, but think of the people that will be affected if you keep procrastinating and keep delaying what you're supposed to do. Because I saw myself in that situation where I know I could do more, I know you can achieve more. Why am I not doing it? If I ask you now, what can you do to make extra money? You will come up with brilliant ideas. But why are you not doing it? So there's a gap in between that. So that's what you really need to understand. Why are you not doing what you know you can do? So when I understood it, I asked for help. Matthew 7:7. reached out, invested in myself, started doing what my mentor was telling me to do. And it's not luck. It's just pure work. Today is Sunday. I've been doing what I am supposed to do, just chilling out. Had a couple of meetings with my executives in my business I'm doing, business partners, and it's all been pretty well. We're building towards something in the future. I couldn't have done this if I don't have a job, if I didn't start with a job. So if you don't have a job, the first thing is to get a job and start investing in yourself. Don't get trapped in the job, because that can easily happen. Apart from that, you have to look at this as a business, and it's something that should take care of you in the long run in case of the inevitable happens. It's online. You don't do anything much. It's more of writing blogs and shooting videos, and that's just pretty much it. Sending emails and all that, and writing text. You know, it's more of brain work. That's what I would say. But it pays staggering money, because I'm not confined by geographical freedom or anything. It's something you can do part time. You're working from home, you're traveling, you got your laptop. It's a lifestyle business, so it's not common. Maybe that's why a lot of people are a little bit weird and skeptical about it. I totally understand. It takes, the first step is to shift the mindset. So if you don't have any job now, understand this: you don't want to be in that position in the future. So you gotta shift your mindset. Get a job, but now don't sit on that job and wait for it to pay for all your bills. Start putting some money away towards your own personal development. There's no far much better thing that you can do than to invest in yourself. And to leave you with something that literally changed my life for me is, if you go to the description of this video, if you just Google this, The Strangest Secret by Nightingale, listen to it for the next 30 days. It's a form of investment that money can't buy. I can tell you now. That's the secret. It's right there. I just gave it to you. It's not rocket science. People are not just lucky because you think they are lucky. They did something. They put in the work to get there. But they have to have the mindsets to put in the work. So most people lack that. And it comes from a lot of factors. I'm not just going to explain it here, but what I want you to just, for 1 second, understand this. Say this to yourself. You don't do these things that people tell you to do. Why? Is there something in your mind telling you can't? That's the voice. That's the enemy right there. You just got to stamp it out. You got to stand up for yourself, inside of yourself. Because it's that little voice that says, oh, is it listening to this thing? I don't have internet. I don't have time. That's where the real problem is. Because I understand that voice. Like for me now, I wanted to shoot a video, and it kept telling me, you're not ready, camera is not right, time is, wait till tomorrow, wait next 30 minutes, wait next 1 hour. As soon as that voice kept going, I knew where I was going. It's just leading me to procrastination. I just knew one cure to it. It's very simple. Quiet that voice and do that thing I'm supposed to do. Regardless whether I give me the results or not, just take the action. And that's what I would recommend to you. Take action. Action is usually key. If you want to use the same video that I used to build my online business, there'll be links around this video that will guide you. You subscribe, and I'll send you the free videos. Check in your inbox. You should receive them and start watching them. Now, one thing is to watch it. Another thing is to take action and believe what you've seen that is possible for you. Then move from there. Because that same training, a lot of people use it, apply the simple strategy, and they now have businesses going. So it's that shifting mindset. So if you don't have a job, get a job, but don't wait for them to fire you or anything. You gotta take action. You gotta get started a side hustle. I don't care whether you're 50 or 15. whether you're 80 or 18, you gotta start a side hustle if you don't have a business, because that's the only way you're gonna overcome this pandemic that we're on. Otherwise, you're gonna be one of those people that fold their arms and wait for government to do all the work for them. All right, apart from that, I hope this video finds you well on a Sunday evening, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.